Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build a circle in Build a Boat for Treasure. First, open an online circle calculator tool. You will need to input your desired circle diameter, for example, 10 blocks wide. Also, enter a smoothness value, such as 24, which determines the number of blocks. The calculator will then provide specific scaling and rotation numbers you will use in-game. Now, in Build a Boat for Treasure, place a single block on your plot. This will be your starting point. Next, use the scale tool to adjust the block's width. Take the scale number provided by the online calculator and subtract it from the block's original width. For instance, if the block is 1 stud wide and the calculator gives 0.04, your new width is 0.96 studs. With your first scaled block ready, clone it. Then, rotate this cloned block by the exact angle given by your calculator, for example, 15 degrees. Carefully repeat this process. Clone the last block, then rotate it by the same angle. Continue these steps until you have formed a clear half circle, ensuring each block connects smoothly. To complete your circle, you can either mirror the half circle you've created or continue the cloning and rotating process. Make sure all blocks are perfectly connected to achieve a seamless, smooth appearance. Remember, you can always experiment with different diameter and smoothness values in the calculator to create circles of various sizes and block counts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.